In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Adobe InDesign files with links. If you have hyperlinks embedded in text or images, you can ensure that these links are preserved when exporting the file. For example, if you want to add a hyperlink to an image, first select the image. Then, go to the Window option in the top navigation menu. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, hover over Interactive and select Hyperlinks. In the Hyperlinks panel, you will see a field where you can enter the URL. Type in the desired URL and press Enter. Now, the hyperlink is embedded in the image. If you have a URL written directly as text, you don't need to add a separate hyperlink for it. You just need to ensure that the export settings are configured correctly to retain the links. To do this, click on File at the top left side of your screen and select Export. Choose Adobe PDF Print as the format. Select the destination and file name, and click Save. When the Export Adobe PDF dialog box appears, go to the General section. Ensure that the Hyperlinks option is checked. If it is grayed out, it means the file's standard setting needs to be adjusted. Change the standard to None, and you will be able to select the Hyperlinks option. After confirming the settings, click Export. After the export process is complete, navigate to the saved file location and open the PDF. If you click on the linked image, it will open the specified URL in your browser. Similarly, any text-based links will also be clickable and direct you to the correct website. And this is how you can export Adobe InDesign files with embedded hyperlinks.